Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Rontrades, and we're back here with another trade breakdown video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over my euro dollar setup that I took here for Monday, June 13th, 2022. Just to be transparent, I'm up 3% currently on my for today on my FTO mode free trial account, 100K challenge. You guys can see here, June 13th, 2022 sale. And this is all the profit that I profited this morning. I was taking partials as we was running down like 15 pips. You can see here, nice 1% gain here. Obviously, like I say, taking partials as we was trading down. So let's go ahead and go right into the charts, guys. This is probably the most well executed trade that I have took in a good minute. I know I say that every video, and that's very good. And I'm saying that because I continue to keep getting better and better. So right here, guys, let's go ahead and basically just see what I was looking for. So here, euro dollar, my narrative for this week was bearish. Why am I bearish? DXY is bullish. Let's go to the DXY. This was going to be right here, my draw on liquidity here. So this high right here was going to be my draw on liquidity for the DXY. So that means that I'm bullish on the DXY. So that means what? I'm going to be bearish on euro dollar. Now, where am I targeting for euro dollar for the week? I want to see this low right here targeted. I don't need I don't need price to go ahead and attack this low today or tomorrow. I just want to see price, basically navigate towards this low here. If I can get that to happen, I can look for shorts, throughout the week. So for this Monday here, guys, like I say, I did take a short position here. Let's go ahead and go over this setup. So basically what I was seeing, let's go ahead and delete this here. Let's delete this. Let's go to the 2 minute time frame. So right here on the 2 minute time frame, guys, you can see we had displacement shown here with energetic candles. If we go back to the 15 minute, you can see it a little bit better. So right here at 9:15, displacement, energetic candle here, attacking lower. Remember, the narrative is bearish, so I can take this. Why? Because the narrative is bearish. Well, my narrative and my bias was bearish, so if I seen this, I can use this as a fair value gap entry, an imbalance entry. So right here, guys, I seen imbalance here, a displacement here at 9:15. Once I see this, I have to wait for this to be printed on the 15 minute. I'm not going to get in early. I'm not going to try to guess if this candle was going to finish off energetic bearish like it did. I didn't guess that. I patiently waited for this 15 minute candle to close. Once this candle closes, I drop down to the 2 minute time frame. What do we have here? If we can see right here, what do we have right here? Displacement. This is from that 15 minute candle. Where did price run back up into? What's this right here? Let me show you guys what I'm talking about this here. What's this? Last up close candle. Last up close candles, consistent. Look at this displacement here off this candle here. Let me make the screen a little bit bigger for you guys so we can be transparent and seeing what I'm talking about. So now the screen is bigger here. What do we see? Last up close candle, consistent down close candle, energetic. Price runs right back where? Inside of the bearish order block. Does it go above it? Yes. Was I scared about this? No. Why? Because my narrative was that, hey, we're trying to get lower to take out these lows right here on the lower time frame. On the higher time frame, we're getting lower to go towards what? That daily level I said that we should probably navigate towards to. So by knowing that, I'm like, hey, yeah, we just had displacement here in the 15 minute. I came to my 2 minute time frame. Now I'm going to wait for price to come back inside of an imbalance or order block. What did price come back up inside? Imbalance and a order block. Last up close candle, consistent down close candle. Price returns back up. The moment price returns right here, I enter. Stop loss is going to be, like I say, like I always in my videos, guys, stop losses is up to you. I don't have to tell you what to put your stop loss at. I'm not here to tell you where to put your stop loss at, because one, I'm not a teacher. I'm just showing you guys my progress. But this is where my stop loss was right here. Had my stop right above this high. So I had like a 6 pip stop. Why did I have it right here? Because if price comes above here, it's still going to be valid. But what's the likelihood of the price coming above this high we've made here at 9:14? Displacement, return back up. Price should go ahead and stop here and go ahead and target these lows. So that was my mindset while I was in this setup. So like I say, guys, I entered right here as price ran inside of this bearish order block, and I was targeting here. So I targeted a 1 to 2. I called a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio right here. Now, guys, I'm currently still in this setup. I am with a runner. This is not a big position, but currently right now I'm running about 44 pips right now. 39 pips to be exact. What price did run down for 44 pips. Like I say, I'm still inside of this setup. I got a small runner that I'm just letting profit it probably for the rest of this week, because I do see the euro dollar going down for the rest of this week. So I probably just hold my runner, which is a small position, for the rest of this week, just to see, you know, if my analysis plays out. But guys, this is a nice setup that I took today. Let's go over it one more time for a quick summary. So like I say, my narrative coming into this week was bearish. So that's the first tick off. If you want to do like a checklist, so the first checklist was my narrative was established, which is going to be bearish. It's going to be that daily time frame, which I'm going to go show you guys here, 24-hour chart. That daily time frame should get here. So I'm expecting price to get down towards this low or navigate towards it. 15-minute price action today for June 13th. We had displacement here in the 15-minute. Price ran back up inside of a fat value gap here on the 15-minute. On the 2-minute time frame, price ran back up inside of a order block here. So this, you know, I trade on the 2-minute time frame. I use the 15-minute for displacement, and I come to my 2-minute for my entry. Price delivers, takes out this low. Once price takes out this low here, I take partials. I go break even. That's currently where I'm at right now. And I let the rest of the trade run exactly what I'm doing. So this is a very nice setup here that I took, guys. Very proud of myself on this setup. I really executed this trade very well. I did add 2 positions on this trade as price ran back up a little bit above that order block. So like I say, I'm very, very proud of this setup here, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Remember, guys, I'm not a teacher. I'm not here to teach you guys the best strategy. I'm not here to teach you guys nothing. I'm just showing you guys my progress while learning ICT concepts, and just showing you guys my trading progress, because we're going to look back 5 years from now, once we really made it to where we want to be. We're going to be like, wow, we really, you know, put in the work. We really was consistent. That's the only reason I'm here, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Remember, trade safe this week, and I'm going to catch you guys next video, man.